Check this out. The dustiest, dirtiest products here at Walmart, and that's saying something, is Rogaine. Good old Rogaine, good old hair regrowth treatments. I just want to briefly talk to you guys about this. This is minoxidil. Everybody knows Rogaine. Everyone knows minoxidil. Some of you guys may know this rebranded to Hims. Some of you guys know the company Hims. This is not solving your issue. It's a temporary fix over a permanent problem. You are losing your hair is thinning. You do not need to coat your scalp in chemicals for temporary false hair to come up just for you to stop using this. What is it, $60 for this? Was this a month use? You get 2 bottles, 3 months, every $60. You don't need to be using this. What you really need to be using is ditch all the chemicals you have in your shower, because most likely that's what's causing your hair loss, unless it's genetic. And you need to be using something that has pure peppermint and tea tree in it. What that's going to do is it's going to invigorate your hair follicle, increasing blood flow to your sebaceous glands, which is going to produce more sebum oil for your hair. If your hair is being chemically bound by shampoos and conditioners and pomades that you're using, then your follicle is not really going to be producing any sebum. Blood flow is not really going to be going there. This is not going to help you. This is just going to temporarily run you out for your house, and you're probably not going to be able to pay your mortgage because this is super expensive, and you're going to be bald. So, life's kind of going to suck there. Go ahead, ditch this product, grab a thinning hair kit, use it 2 to 3 times a week. Let's get your blood flow back to your hair follicles where the way it's supposed to be, not temporary fixing it, hoping for the best. That's not real life. This is real life. Use peppermint, tea tree, get hair growing properly.